everybody, so we got a quick item pickup from Walmart. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is there's actually more than one item, but the other item is not required in this video. So this item I picked up from Walmart. It's just so I can test it later down the road. It is VP Small Engine Fuels. Full synthetic 2-cycle oil. Ethanol protection, easy starting, 12-month fuel and stabilizer. Now the reason I picked this up is I'd like to compare it against the Power Blend Gold from Echo, as well as the Red Armor from Echo. Red Armor is actually bloody red like this. Red Armor will protect your fuel and stabilize your fuel up to 2 years, where this one says 12 months. It's got measuring cups on the side, fluid ounces. So instead of it being on the front like most of them, it's like right here on the side. 3.2, 2.6, 2.0 on one. 25 millimeter, 50, 60, 2.5, 75, 95. But the other item, it wasn't my item. It was something for my wife. So it doesn't need to be in the video. But we're going to check out how this performs against the Red Armor. I'll be picking up a bottle of AMSOIL Sabre Professional to compare against this and AMSOIL as well, and Red Armor from Echo. And we'll be comparing that to Power Blend Gold from Echo, as well as Walmart generic brand oil, as well as the Black Max from Walmart, because Black Max at Walmart, they have two different Black Maxes. They have the full synthetic, which is a really, really dark blue, and then they have the semi-synthetic, which is a light blue, kind of like the Super Tech one I showed earlier on the previous video, which is this guy right here. It's a light blue, the Black Max. So we'll be picking those up, as well as, one of the ones I picked up from Lowe's. And we'll just compare them all, see which one, makes the engine idle better or makes it run smoother, we'll see. But just a short little video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. Comments down below what you guys think of my ideas on testing all of these oils. I appreciate you guys' time, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.